Hello students, today we will discuss about 7 steps around the fire's explanations. Okay. If Salim wants it so badly, it must be important. I have a feeling he is not going to confess. Mr. Sharma would not want to lose a trusted bodyguard and will use his influence. There is no real proof except maybe the photograph. ये एक्ट थर्ड से लिया गया ओके इसका रेफरेंस कॉन्टेक्स्ट है एज एवर व्हेन उमा कम्स टू नो फ्रॉम सुरेश दैट चंपा हैज सिक्योर्ड दैट रिलीज ऑफ अनारकली she become anxious to see her because now she realizes a new turn in the Kamla murder case. She visits Champa and asks her directly for the photograph. Champa's reluctance does not satisfy her and she presses upon her to the reality. Okay, इसकी explanation है Uma tells Champa that she knows that Salim was to get the photograph from them and is making every possible efforts. Threatening him then this activity shows that there must be something very important in that photo which can prove his crime. Moreover, the bodyguard, the most trusted man of the minister himself, and considered himself quite safe. So he will never confess his crime in any condition. Moreover, if anything wrong goes with him, Mr. Sharma will stand him because he will not lose his most trusted employee, except that there is no other proof against him. So it is very important for her to, after all, what is there in it. This dialogue shows that the influential men like the minister him shelter their criminal servants and the poor innocent men have too. Uma's deep insight is also realized. Next time, so he arranged to have Kamla burned to death, but Salim had to tell him about the picture. Mr. Sharma simply had to have that picture. He sent Salim to threaten Anarkali and Champa. He did get the picture eventually. After losing his son, what a price to pay. ये एक्ट थर्ड से लिया गया इसका रेफरेंस कॉन्टेक्स्ट है जब द इंसिडेंट्स हैव बीन मूव वेरी फास्ट एट द वेडिंग ऑफ सुबू द हीरास कम टू ब्लेस द नियर मैरिड कपल एंड एज दे स्टार्ट सिंगिंग एंड डांसिंग Subbu was shadow of Kamla also dancing in the air and inviting Subbu with open arms to come to her. Subbu snatches the gun of Suresh and shoots himself. Now everything has come to close. Explanation of Uma briefs the whole incident of Kamla's murder. She tells that Subbu and Kamla had arranged a private wedding where Anarkali was also present. After After the marriage was solemnized, they took a photo of Kamala in the beautiful dresses of a bride and Subbu with the wedding garland around him. Kamala gave that photo to Anarkali to show it to Champa, but Mr. Suresh could not tolerate this marriage and gave Salim the responsibility to kill Kamala. He wanted her to death, but he could not get that photo and told Mr. Sharma about it, who asked him to get it from them at every cost. It was for this picture that Salim often come there and threatened Anarkali and Champa. Now it is just an irony that Mr. Sharma got the photo, but he had to pay a very high price, the sacrifice of his young son. The dialogue shows the mischief of great influential people and the working of irony of fate. To some extent, it is poetic justice. Next time, when she told me about Subbu, madam, I tried to stop her. I fought with her. I scratched her face, hoping she will become ugly and Subbu will forget her. He wanted to marry her. I was there at their wedding. She gave me that picture to show to Champa. ये भी एक्ट थर्ड से ली गई. इसका रेफरेंस कॉन्टेक्स्ट है एज अब थिंग्स आर नाउ कमिंग टू अ क्लोज. Subbu has committed suicide and Suresh snatched that photo from Uma and tore it to pieces. Now there was nothing left against anybody regarding Kamala's murder. Uma comes forward behind the curtain where Anarkali explains to her that she had no objection to Kamala's going out with Salim. But when she came to know about her relations with Subbu and her intentions to marry him, she was very much concerned. Okay. Explanation है इसकी. Anarkali tells that she did not like Kamala's relations with Subbu because she knew that neither society nor Mr. Sharma would accept it. She tried her best to stop her, but in vain. So she thought a plan that if Kamala loses her beauty and becomes ugly, Subbu will perhaps leave her. So she began to quarrel with her. Frequently and scratched her face to make her ugly, but nothing happened. They were determined to marry, and she also had gone to attend it. Dear Kamala gave her a photo that she may show it to Champa. This caused the final tragedy. The catharsis of the tragedy is real, very pathetic. Uma tells Champa that she knows that Salim to get the photograph from them and is making every possible efforts threatening them. This activity shows that there must be something very important in that photo which can prove his crime. Moreover, the bodyguard, the most trusted man of the minister himself, and consider himself quite safe, so he will never confess his crime in any condition. Moreover, if anything wrong goes with him, Mr. Sharma will stand him because he will not lose his most trusted employee. except that there is no other proof against him, so it is very important for her to, after all, what is there in it. The dialogue shows that the influential men like the minister him shelter their criminal servants, and the poor innocent Uma's deep insight is also realized. This information creates great confusion and anxiety in Uma. She asks him that she can meet Anarkali when she will come report to the police, but even this is not possible. Suresh discloses the facts about the Hijras community that it is almost impossible to trace them. She must have run out of the city and nobody can have any information there whereabouts. He tells her one more shocking news that the Pur has arrested Anarkali merely on suspicion, didn't have not a single proof against her. So they could not keep her in their custody for a long period. These Hijras are peculiar people and nothing can be said about them. This dialogue of Suresh is satire on the fucking of the police department. In spite of having no proof against Anarkali, they have arrested her only because there was nobody else, and poor innocent Anarkali has to suffer a lot in jail.